What's up, you guys? It's Susie from HeyGrillHey.com, and it is late summer, it is hot, and I did not want to turn on my oven, so we're busting out the grill in the backyard today to make a super simple and delicious sheet pan meal. We're doing salmon and veggies, and I'm showing you guys my new fish and veggie seasoning. It makes this whole thing incredibly simple, super flavorful. The whole family is gonna love it, and it's gonna take me 5 minutes to put together. Let's do it. Let me set the scene for you guys. It is late summer, it is hot, and these children who have been here all summer long and whom I just fed 20 minutes ago have informed me that they are yet again hungry. And I think it's my job to feed them. So this sheet pan meal is one of our go-tos when our kids want food, it's too hot to turn on the oven, we bust out the grill, we throw all of our fridge vegetables on a sheet pan and get some food on the table really quickly. I'm cooking mine on my pellet smoker today. I've got it preheating to about 400 to 425 degrees. This also works beautifully on a gas grill. And I'm doing salmon and vegetables today, but it is incredibly interchangeable with chicken tenders. We do this with sausage all of the time. Shrimp is another beautiful option. So you can swap out your proteins and your vegetables based on what you have in your fridge, in your freezer. You need to use it up. So let's start putting stuff on the pan, yeah? This little sockeye fillet is skin on. It is probably about 1.5 pounds worth. And I also have some little bell peppers that are kind of looking like maybe they've seen better days, a little bit wrinkly.
Wait. What's this?
Oh,
why did you put that on?
Okay, great question, Todd. This is a layer of tin foil. I like the non-stick foil because everything comes up really easily, but I also like cooking on foil because nothing sticks to the bottom of my pan and it just makes cleanup a lot easier. I mean, we're cooking easy, we want cleanup easy too, right?
When I go to bake cookies,
oh, and when Todd uses the baking sheets a lot when he makes cookies, and he gets mad at me if they taste like fish. So we put the foil down and then Todd doesn't yell at me later.
I don't yell.
Okay, but if your cookies taste like fish, it's Todd's fault. Okay. Let's talk about the vegetables. You really can use any mixes of vegetables here that are about the same size and will cook in the same time as the salmon. I think this is probably gonna take about 20 to 25 minutes on the grill. So the bell peppers, I have broccoli, I have some cauliflower, I have some green beans. All of these are gonna take about that amount of time to cook on the grill. So I wouldn't do like whole potatoes because those aren't gonna cook quickly enough. But anything like asparagus, cauliflower, broccoli, zucchini, squash, onions. We break up corn on the cob and put them on there. What else have we put on our sheet pan dinners, Todd?
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. Oh, I actually have some mushrooms in the fridge. Maybe I'll go grab some mushrooms.
I think you should.
Okay, we're just gonna put some veggies on there. A little bit of everything.
Oh, your teeth.
I hate how hard this is to open. I'm gonna do it.
You got it. Oh my God.
I can't do it. Bless it. See, this guy's real big. So I'm gonna break him into a piece. Can get a little customizey here based on what your family likes too. Because I know I have kids that will eat cauliflower and broccoli, but not all of them will eat peppers, but some of them will. So I'll put a little bit more of some things and a little bit less of others.
It's like art.
Isn't that pretty?
Should have the kids out helping.
Do you know what? The kids could probably make this whole meal. Here's what you do, kids. Put the meat on the pan and then also the vegetables. Okay. I'm currently happy with this lineup. I'm gonna give it a drizzle with some good quality olive oil. It's going to lubricate all of our vegetables, but that oil is also going to help them crisp and roast in the high temperature heat of the grill. It's also going to help our seasoning adhere to everything that we put it on. And then we're gonna season with the fish and veggie rub. This is one of the more versatile seasonings, I think, in my overall seasoning lineup, because it says fish and veggie, but truly, if you put chicken tenders on here or shrimp on here or sausage on here, it would be good on the whole thing. It has some nice like salt and pepper base. It also has some dill in there, and I love dill. It's got some red pepper flakes for a little bit of color and heat, and you know, a couple other goodies in there that I think taste awesome. It's very delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious. That's it. Todd is currently checking his phone. That's how easy this recipe is. He doesn't even have to like be super engaged and follow along. Can you believe this? Give me this camera. You're seriously checking your phone while you're filming. What are you doing? All right, Todd's out. I'm taking over.
An important email.
Okay, look. Do. Yeah, I think you quit, so now I have to do this. All right, open the smoker, preheated, 425 degrees, sheet pan onto the grill, close the lid. We'll come check on it in about 10 minutes. Give it a little bit of a stir on the veggies if we need to, temperature test the salmon, but I think this will take about 20 to 25 minutes, and dinner, boom, bam, done in under a half hour. Listen, if you're not gonna do your job and follow me around with the camera, okay, come here. It was supposed to be on 10 minutes, but I got distracted. It's been on like 18 to 20. I think everything looks pretty good. Let's see what the salmon temperature is. Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
I stuck that in, it was on the money, Todd. All right, we want to pull everything off when the salmon's at 145, and our veggies look nice and roasty, just like they do, and everything smells real good. At the very end, I like to hit everything with just like a squeeze of fresh lemon. It brightens everything up. I think all the flavors off the grill really pop with some citrus. And then we just dish this bad boy up on some leftover happy birthday plates and call it a meal. You guys want to eat?
Yeah.
Come on in here. We got the crew. Okay, we'll put some veggies on there for you.
Okay.
Okay, we like vegetables, yes. Now, if you are feeling really ambitious, you could probably serve this over some pasta or a side of rice. Yes? Yeah?
Yeah. Can I suck on this lemon?
You can. Help yourself. Just let your kids suck on the lemon. All right. A little bit of everything here. Come on over here. You guys can share off of this plate for a minute.
Okay.
All right. I gotta taste some too. Okay, here's the deal. Salmon.
Dill? Deal? Here, there's the dill.
Here's the dill. Oh, that's really good. I love the fish and veggie rub on the salmon. Did you guys try it?
Oh yeah, it's delicious.
Awesome. Also,
Give me this.
awesome on vegetables. They're tender, but they're still crisp. Everything really kind of magically cooks at the same time so that it's all done at the same time. But prep work took no time at all. Would you like a green bean?
Yes.
And look, my kids are eating vegetables and fish. Are we winning?
Yeah.
We are winning. You guys can win too. After all, my whole goal at Hey Grill Hey is to help you make better barbecue so you can feed
Mom is the best in the world.
the people you love and become a backyard barbecue hero. Now you can grab the recipe for this on the Hey Grill Hey app or on the website, and you can pick up a bottle of our fish and veggie seasoning or any of the rest of our line of seasonings and sauces at heygrillhey.com. See you guys next time. I love you guys. Thank you.
Anytime, Mommy.